In Thailand, the top benefits of country are coming from tourism because of 23 provinces of Thailand are next to the sea. So that attracts tourists to have a nice vacation at the Thailand's beach. There are many businesses that can make money along the shoreline, such as the businesses about hotels, restaurants, or sea sports. But does anyone know most of the area around the shoreline is being destroyed by coastal erosion? Coastal erosion is the loss of lands around the coastal area from the natural processes that carry away rocks, sand, or soils along the shoreline. The coastal erosion mostly happens in all of the areas which are located next to the coastline. The problem of coastal erosion in Thailand impacts the communities and businesses around the coastal area. This problem has a widespread impact every day, and the impact will increase in the future. Erosion may directly affect the tourism business. For example, a famous coast may lose a beautiful beach. The community may also need to spend a lot of money and resources to protect the beach from erosion. Another impact is effect on society and the quality of life. One such impact of the erosion is that the people lose their land. Furthermore, homes that built right on the shoreline may collapse into the sea. This problem means that the people in the eroded area may need to migrate to the other areas. Moreover, the problem will have trends to increasing if it not get the proper prevention methods.
For now, it's rough to locate which area and shoreline are currently facing the problem of erosion in Thailand, because there is no use of the erosion data for visualizing the erosion. So, we came up with the web application for monitoring the erosion through an interactive map along the shoreline of the Gulf of Thailand by using GIS technology and the spatial data. The main capabilities of this web are visualizing and monitoring the information about coastal erosion areas on the map. This web can also be used to inform the related people or organizations which can be affected by the erosion problem through our web for providing them some information about the erosion. The web application platform consists of 3 main sections, and we are going to get you through these. This is the link of our website on the screen. Well, as you can see on the navigation bar, these are sections of our web. Now we are at the home page, and let's jump to the main section of our web, and it is the map section. Now you are seeing our interactive map. From here, you can view the shoreline of the Gulf of Thailand in multiple years, and you can also view the shoreline structure. Below the check boxes, you can view the shoreline for specific areas, and you can choose multiple years either. The color of the shoreline is depending on the year that you selected. You can check it with a legend on the map on the top right corner. And you can see the calculation box. You can calculate the area difference of an erosion in the calculation box here by just select 2 different years and the areas. Then hit on the calculate button, wait for a second, and the result is gonna present here. Next section is tabular data. Here you will see 2 tables of data. The first table is about the high erosion shoreline in Thailand, and only high erosion areas will be presented in this table. The second table is the shoreline structure table, which will explain how good the structure is and who built it, well, and some kind of this information. In the last section, it is an upload section, where you can upload the compressed shapefile into our spatial database. Our data are stored in Postgres database, integrated with PostGIS that allow us to queue the information about location and mapping. In this project, we are using JavaScript library Leaflet along with OpenStreetMap to create an interactive map. The data that we use in our database is from the Department of Marine and Coastal Resources of Thailand, or DMCR, They give us their collected geometry-spatial data about the shoreline of the Gulf of Thailand for developing these projects. From these projects, we realized that this project can be actioned relating groups of people, more or less. The most important part of our work is when this website can provide knowledge to local people or related organizations about the erosion problem in Thailand. Our website can be used as an educational platform for tracking the erosion shoreline from the past, and it can be used as the model to adopt the technology with local data to solving the existing problems. Furthermore, in the future, it can be contributed to the related organizations as all of the materials are from open source software, so it can be improved or developed for the organization or the departments that related to the GIS information.